This is a land full of passion. This is a triumphal song to the world. Today's Shinco people, having the extraordinary spirit of competing for the number one, have achieved consecutive 4 years of 200% increase in production and sales, creating a myth in the air conditioner industry, and has become one of the top international brands. In 1992, entered the field of air conditioner R&D. 1995, started the R&D with inverter products, the first in China. 1999, had market debut for its digital DC inverter air conditioners, saving 48% energy and reducing consumption hours by half. 2000, launched the entire DC inverter air conditioners, being the first that passed the certification by Chinese National Industrial Inspection Center and achieved no breakdowns for 5,000 consecutive hours. 2004, presented the DC 120-degree broad-angle wave-driven products by the in-house R&D, honored by the title of the first brand of energy and electricity saving in Chinese air conditioner market. 2006, launched the DC 180-degree sine wave-driven products by in-house R&D. 2007, presented the software-driven PFC DC 180-degree products. 2008 to 2009, became the first Chinese manufacturer exporting the Chinese brand inverter air conditioners to the United States, and the products further got the North America Energy Star certified. Meanwhile, Shinco full-range products achieve the latest Australian MEPS 3 standard, which only a few Japanese brands can compete with. In the 15 years Shinco has been devoting itself to the R&D and production of the inverter air conditioners, it has accumulated rich experience in the R&D technology of the inverter air conditioner by maintaining its domestic leading position, especially in the DC inverter controlling technology. Currently, Shinco is one of the most specialized manufacturers in China by its in-house R&D ability of inverter air conditioners and product supply capacity. Today, Shinco Air Conditioner owns 13 up-to-date full automatic production lines, having the capacity of producing over 3 million air conditioners annually. Shinco Air Conditioner successfully achieved the interactive R&D by its 3 locations: the Super Lab, located in the Silicon Valley in USA, the Digital R&D Lab in Hong Kong, and its state-of-art lab in Jiangsu, China. Shinco has established a large-scale noise laboratories as well as the enthalpy difference labs in line with the national standards, and also brought in vacuum pumps, Fleon injecting machines, helium leak detectors, and other sophisticated detection equipment, to a great degree ensuring the test accuracy and product stability. Over the years, Shinco has maintained close relationships with Japan National, Panasonic, Toshiba, NEC, Hitachi, Mitsubishi, and Motorola. By using the software and electronic chips from Toshiba, NEC, Motorola, the compressors and other test equipments from international brands such as Panasonic and Hitachi, Shinco has greatly ensured the internationally up-to-date enterprise technology. The strict standardization of manufacturing processes and precise quality management have been verified by various world verification bodies. Shinco air conditioners obtained ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certification system as early as in 1998, followed by CE certification of the European Union, UL certification of the United States, GS, Hong Kong First Grade Energy Label, the U.S. Energy Star certification, Australia's Energy Star certification, certification of international procurement standards, and so on, enabling Shinco air conditioner to be positioned as an international brand in the market. The market acceptance, as well as consumer satisfaction, is the eternal pursuit of Shinco Company. Shinco Air Condition has won the exceptional titles such as the National Recommended Brands, Chinese Well-Known Trademarks, and China Top Brand Award. Shinco Air Conditioner has been in a world-leading position in inverter and energy-saving technology by 15 years of in-house R&D and innovation. KFR 35GWP-HABM wall-mounted inverter air conditioner. Evolution. KFR 50LW-PHABM cabinet inverter air conditioner. Evolution. .180-degree sine wave-driven technology improves the efficiency by 8%, decreases the noise by 8 decibels, and reduces vibration greatly than the traditional 120-degree square wave technology. Compressor has more stable high-frequency operation. Current closed-loop control and small circuit startup improve the compressor demagnetization to extend the usage life. MTPA control mode significantly increases torque and electrical fast response. The use of flux weakening control of torque angle maximizes the operating frequency of compressor. Evolution. Torque compensation reduces vibration to make low-frequency operation more stable. DC inverter, energy efficient, more environmentally friendly. As early as 2006, Shinco established the air conditioning production base in Nigeria, Africa, and the sales divisions centered in Lagos, Abuja, and Calabar. The annual product sales had steady growth, being the domestic industry precedent. Shinco Air Conditioner has set up a role model for the domestic industry by the innovative ways of overseas expansion through factories located abroad. In recent years, Shinco Air Conditioner has increased at the speed of overseas branches expansion, relying on its new refrigerant DC inverter products, which represent the most advanced technology internationally. Shinco has successfully established market centers in Hong Kong for the Southeast Asian market, Spain and Italy for the European market, the United States for the Americas market, Nigeria for the African market, Australia for the Australian market, exporting to more than 50 countries and regions. For many years, Shinco has introduced over 300 products of 10 series. Shinco outstands itself among many brands in brand image and consumer acceptance by the superior quality and continuously improved service system. Setting foothold on technology, keeping up to date, building Shinco brand image by competitive advantages, gaining global customers' acceptance by the excellent service. This is the self-confidence of the strong. This is the essence of the leader.